Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, period. Only thing you have to do to become a princess or a prince is just what I just said, like, comment, subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell and turn on post notification. If I say post notification, because I always say post notification, like, I always say that and then I mess it up with this time and mess it up. For you to be notified every time I post a new video. So let's get right to the video. Like you can tell by the title, the video I'm going to be making fun. So I put it in the zip bag and I put it like in the board bucket. And I got this Tide Pie. It's like one Tide Pie and this big, so that it should be enough for this probably. Let me turn this one off. Now when I need it, I'm just gonna need it in here. The sad part about this video is gonna be me busting it and like just mixing together. Should I put it in there, bust it, or should I just be? No, because I'm gonna have to get the thing and glue go be all over it. I ain't gonna know. The wrap.
The wrapper is what's turning into the slime, duh.
What?
The wrapper is soft. When you get it wet and stuff, it's gonna turn slimy and slime.
No, it's not. Well, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna bust it.
I think you can do it my way.
I'm gonna bust it like this because I'm not gonna put it all in and the glue be all over it.
You can just drop no thing and then do the rest of it. So you can turn it to slime and slime. That paper is soft, but it turns into slime and slime.
So I'm just put it right in.
And then when you bust it, when you cut it like that, it's gonna be hot.
That's a hand snitch. There you go, snitch right here.
Is it just me or y'all freezing?
We don't freeze.
Yeah, you hit that jump. It's twerking. Alright. Now it's counting. See how it lands on the leg. I don't know, I gotta get on. What is it? What's my homework? 2, 3, 1, 7, 8.
Stop before you break my jam. Better go get that little goal.
Ready? I'll let you start. Ready? Okay, go. 1, 2. Wait, alright, ready? 2, go. 1, 2. You counted slow.
No, it's supposed to be 1 Mississippi.
I'm just gonna
Ready?
put this
Set.
in here.
1 Mississippi.
Still jelly on my bed for the round for the cause just I had to get the jelly food. The jelly food ASMR with the fake ASMR. I ASMR. And now I'm doing this.
No, we're done.
No, I got it.
1 Mississippi. 2 Mississippi.
So now I'm just mixing it.
1.
I don't like this one. That's not fun. But I got it. Case on. That's what
My
it
hands
is.
got to be on. Ready?
1 Mississippi.
Now I'm just kneading it together. It is going to turn blue. Like, no matter what, it's going to turn blue.
1, 2.
Or if I put food coloring or some dye, which I'm not super. I'm gonna like this blue because I always like it. There's a lot of air in it. Now you can see it's kind of turning. But when I'm doing that, we're just still kneading it, just moisturizing it, put it up and down.
Alright, ready? Set. Go.
I'm gonna do it
Ready?
like this.
1, 2,
Wait,
1.
When I stop
I'm
touching the bed, that's when I
But
that's
like
when
this.
it starts. I can't be
Put it
touching
like this
my
and like this.
Ready? Set. Go.
1.
Ready?
1.
That's
I
how
never
I
get no 1.
Ready?
If you break my whole board, that's your edge.
Go.
1.
Watch it.
Where the slime go?
Nari, I hit 7. Nari, I hit 7.
Mom, what you doing?
Ready? 2. Count. When I Get my hands off the counter.
Oh, I forgot I was doing it.
Set. One.
What? Just,
I don't see on the counter.
oh, sorry.
Set.
I'm showing one of these slimes like I don't want it to because I'm
You ready?
excuse me, see how she really
Set.
on
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I could go way longer than you.
Set.
Then go get your hoverboard.
2, 3. Alright, stop. Ready?
So that's my hoverboard and we got a race.
2,
Or
3,
doing the thing.
4, 5.
Okay, that's enough. Like this.
Oh, shit. 1, ready? Set. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Hit 6, G. Ready? Set. 1, 1,
Yeah. That just
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I should got my spotlight.
10, 9, 10,
I'm gonna put it up here so I can get a better view.
4, 3,
I'm trying to
I did 8, 9.
my hands in the way, but here is I'm still gonna be neat. And I'm gonna put it on. I don't know. Okay, yeah, y'all know. I'm not shaking too much. I'm just gonna
10, 9, 8, 7, 10, 9.
and I might do